Hello and welcome back to TechHub Guide. In today's video, I will guide you step by step on how to create a V2Ray server and use it with the Dark Tunnel VPN app. This method is simple, beginner-friendly, and will help you set up a private connection on your device. Step 1. Start by opening any browser on your device. In the search bar, type UDP Custom and press Enter. From the results, go to the official UDP Custom website. Once you are on the homepage, tap the menu button in the top right corner. From the list of options, select V2Ray. Here you will see a list of server locations. Choose a location you prefer by tapping the select button. Next, choose a server within that location and continue. On the following page, the server details will appear. You can either copy them manually or tap the copy button to save the configuration to your clipboard. Step 2. Now, let us install the app. Go to the Google Play Store on your device and search for Dark Tunnel VPN. Select the app from the results, then download and install it. After installation is complete, open the app. Step 3. Inside the app, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner. From the menu, choose Config, then tap Import, and finally select Clipboard. This will import the V2Ray configuration you copied earlier. Step 4. If needed, you can adjust the settings, such as entering an SNI or making other changes. This step is optional. Most users can leave the default settings as they are. Step 5. Once everything is ready, tap the Connect button on the home screen. In just a few seconds, your VPN will start working and provide you with a private connection. That's all for today's tutorial. You have now learned how to set up a V2Ray server and connect it with the Dark Tunnel VPN app. If this video was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech tutorials. Also, tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.